Hi, I am Neeraj Singh Khandka, an artist living and practicing in Delhi. I really want to thank ORA for this wonderful opportunity for the artist, especially in these hard times of COVID. Now, coming back to my work as living in a metro city like Delhi, I get an opportunity to see different things at a single point of time. Carrying these interactions and multiple observations, the work came into existence. The struggle of life and the zeal to come out of every hardships is the key inspiration of my work. It reflects a situation of a city and involves the viewer who pretends to be a part of it. Through this work, I try to portray the abstract of life around me. It's always feels great when you are near the crossing line, and being a finalist, I really want to congratulate all other finalists, and I really want to thank you ORA for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.